Tokyo design studio of New Balance was established as an experimental facility for the company's functional, although sometimes dull, trainers. By using well-designed accessories, the results have been nothing short of spectacular. Nevertheless, they have taken a different approach with the Minimus trail shoe. Compared to the original, the New Balance MT10T V1 TDS is even more basic. It looks like the raw and open mesh upper design has been replaced with a mega simple, scarcely branded design made of soft neoprene uppers and rubber overlays. On the other hand, Tokyo Design Studio is best recognized for its tech-enabled Niobium Concept snowshoe line and the Ripple-soled 574. The M10's position in the current shoe trends aligns perfectly with the flat-soled, low-profile movement, which New Balance was generally excluded from. However, it is where TDS is useful. June 5 is the global release date for this most recent TDS drop.